Hello, Ma'am and Sir. I am Brenda Wakangan, 36 years old. I have one kid, Ma'am and Sir, and I have a husband. I am a high school graduate, Ma'am, living in Philippines, Ma'am. And my experience before in Hong Kong, I have 4 years experience work in Hong Kong. My first employer, Ma'am, there are four members in the house, 2 adults and 2 children. 8 years old boy and 8 months baby. My main duty is taking care of the baby all day while my madam and say they are not at home. And when baby is asleep, taking care and cleaning the house, do the laundry and marketing. When babies wake up, we go together in the market. My second employer, Ma'am, is there are 3 members in the house, 2 adults and 1 kid, girl, 8 years old. My main duties, Ma'am and Sir, is bring the kid in the school in the morning, and after bringing the school, and then I go home, do my cleaning and my duties, going market. After my cleaning and during 5 p.m. pick up the kid and bring home, and if I have a chance to hire me, I'll try and do my best to take good care of family and take good care of my work, and I will follow your rules, and I'll try my best to follow your instruction and do well my work and do everything my work, and that is only I can share my experience here. And Ma'am, I thank you.